I received this pet first aid kit as a gift, and I wanted to do an in depth look because this is one of those things that you don't think about until you really need it. This kit is designed for dogs and cats, and it's great for travel, keeping in your car, camping trips, or even just having at home. What I really like about this kit is that it's not just for pets. It also includes supplies for people, so it truly works as an all in one emergency kit. Everything comes neatly organized in a durable carrying case. The layout makes it easy to see what's inside and what you need quickly without digging around. It's compact enough to fit in a car or backpack, but still packed with useful items. The quality of the supplies really stood out to me. Everything feels well made and thoughtfully chosen. Nothing feels flimsy or cheap. The items are individually packaged and clearly laid out, which makes a big difference in stressful situations. I also appreciate how versatile this kit is. Whether you're traveling with pets, going on road trips, camping, hiking, or just want to be prepared for everyday situations, it covers a wide range of needs in one kit. Having supplies for both pets and people is a huge plus. Instead of carrying separate kits, you can grab this one and know you're covered for everyone. That makes it especially convenient for families or anyone who's frequently on the go with their pets. The case itself feels sturdy and easy to carry, and everything fits back inside neatly after opening it. It doesn't feel overstuffed or disorganized. Overall, this was a really thoughtful gift. The Pet First Aid Kit is well organized, high quality, and practical. It's one of those things that gives you peace of mind knowing you have it whenever you're at home or out traveling with your pets.